Tired of your car seat covers looking dull and dirty? Today, I'll show you how to clean and maintain them so they stay fresh, stylish, and long-lasting. Seat covers aren't just about looks. They protect your car's interior, make driving more comfortable, and even help with resale value. But like anything else, they need regular care to keep them in top shape. Why it's important. Clean seat covers not only improve the look of your car, they also prevent odors, stains, and wear. Proper maintenance extends their life and saves you from spending extra on replacements. What to consider. Before cleaning, check the fabric type. Leather, fox leather, neoprene, and cloth each need different care. Always read the manufacturer's instructions so you don't accidentally damage the material. How to use properly. Install covers snugly to avoid shifting or wrinkles that trap dirt. If they're removable, take them off before deep cleaning. For non-removable ones, use gentle spot cleaning and vacuuming. Maintenance and care. Vacuum regularly to remove dust and crumbs. Use mild soap or upholstery cleaner with a soft brush for fabric covers. For leather or fox leather, wipe with a damp cloth and condition occasionally to prevent cracking. Let covers air dry completely before putting them back. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't use bleach or harsh chemicals. Avoid scrubbing too hard, which can wear down fabric fibers. Never toss them in a dryer. Heat can shrink or warp the material. Cost comparison. Professional cleaning can cost anywhere from $50 to $150 depending on the service. Doing it yourself usually costs under $20 for cleaners and brushes, making DIY care the budget-friendly option. Real-life experiment. We cleaned 2 sets of seat covers, one with a store-bought cleaner and another with a simple home solution of mild soap and water. Both worked well, but the store-bought cleaner removed tough stains faster, while the DIY method was perfect for regular upkeep. Quick tips. Keep a small cleaning kit in your trunk. Treat spills immediately before they set. Rotate or adjust covers occasionally to reduce uneven wear. Cleaning and maintaining your seat covers doesn't take much effort, but it makes a big difference in the look and feel of your car. Regular care saves money, keeps your car fresh, and ensures your covers last for years.